Hi, this is Tara Folks from Alaqua. I'm delivering my next workshop at Cairo Health on the 27th of February on better quality sleep. Are you one of those people who can't get to sleep in the evenings, or perhaps are you one of those that wake in the middle of the night to go to the loo and then can't get back to sleep because your mind's so keen with all the ideas and things that you need to sort out? We often get into an unconscious sleep pattern without realising it, and actually we have triggers that we don't know that are triggering ourselves off every day. Come along to our workshop, understand what the triggers are, the triggers could be, look at different ways of managing that and different strategies on getting a better night's sleep, followed by a hypnotherapy to help reset your unconscious sleep pattern. Any questions, give me a shout. If not, I look forward to seeing you there on the 27th of February, 6 o'clock at Cairo Health in Scunthorpe. Have a great day.